Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all well. So I'm just coming back to you after the video of the front ends that we were changing. I said I'd come back to you when I'd be fitting the wheels. Unfortunately, it was too hot and we were just trying to get everything done. But I'll run through. We managed to paint the front end, so that is done. We've still got the bumper to do. The wheels are on with the 20mm spacers as well. And I'll just run through a few other things and a bit of an update to where we're at, and we are going to be doing a lot more today as well. So I'm turning the phone around and I'll show you what's what. Okay, so the wheels are on. As you can see, there is the 20mm spacers on there. It did come with the extra long wheel nuts as well. Real nice fitment. Wheels level with the arches. So just what we wanted. A lot of people have asked me, oh, am I going to lower it? We're not, because we do want to use this and we want to be practical with it. So we do want to go camping, and we have got a mountain bike, 4-bike carrier to go on the tow bar. So we are going to be putting weight in this, so we don't really see the point of lowering it. This is the seal that I'd done the other day, which was completely rotten. I still need to finish a few bits off. I do need to wet and dry it and just finish off a few little bits around here. It's still a bit rough, but you know, it's done, it's on there, it's not going anywhere now. So that's just another thing I can cross off the list. That's the rear wheels again, so you can see we've got the 20mm spacers in there, which just brings those wheels out, which is really nice. My wife also got a new tailpipe to go on there. Again, just another little touch. Managed to get it to fit on properly, so that doesn't stick out too far. Also, my wife has decided to have a bit of a colour change in here. Now, if you remember, on these two door covers here, there was a Hulk and some drawing my wife done. Since having a look, she's now decided to change it. The paint she's gone for actually blends in with the colour of the carpet, and it's a metallic paint as well, so it actually looks quite nice. She's got to give it another coat today. So that's another little thing sort of finished off in here. Jobs I'll be doing today, I do need to finish off. If I can lay down underneath, I'll show you. So a few things I need to finish off on the seal. If I can just get under here and show you. So I don't know if it's going to show, so I haven't finished painting under here yet. It is probably a bit too dark, if I'm completely honest. Let's try the other way. Yes, you can't see, we can still see, obviously we are just bare metal. So I just need to finish treating a few bits under here, and then I can get that job sort of completely crossed off as well. So that's that sorted. So generally speaking, we're coming along quite nicely. There is a bit of welding by the rear bumper, which was from a previous video, so I do need to get that finished, which I will do today. So I'll do another little video of that later. Other than that, really, I can't think of much else to comment on at the moment. Like I say, again, we've got the whole entire crew out today, all out on their bikes, and they're all helping. Other little thing we did put brand new. I managed to get these really cheap. The mirrors, they're brand new. They are electric ones, which I'm going to see if I can find the loom for. But this is off a left-hand drive model. So you get the wider mirror over here and the thinner one over there, and we quite like it that way. We just feel more comfortable with it, but we're quite happy with that little touch, which is just quite nice. Also painted the A-pillars yesterday. We just painted them satin black, just to tidy that up around there as well. But that's it for the moment. I'll come back to you later, and I'll give you a bit more of an update. Hello everybody, back at you with another video, and today we are tackling the rust on the back, which is behind the bumper, which was from one of the previous videos. Love you too, darling, bless her. So far I managed to cut it all out. At the moment I'm fighting with the underseal, and I'm just using the trusty old torch to melt it. so that I can get in there and get absolutely everything treated, and then I can then get welding with a new sheet metal in there and generally get that sided up. So far that's where we're at the moment. I'll get this all together and then I'll come back to you shortly. Okay, get that to focus. So all I've done on the back of this is, it's not going to focus, is it? No. There you go. So I've literally just put a tack weld on the nut on the back. So when I put the bumper on, I don't have to mess around trying to hold the nut. I can literally just undo the bolt, and that should be good. Just makes life a little bit easier. But yeah, I'll come back to you when I do a bit more.